Love you, Sir Bert.
So this is graphing quadratic function. Good morning,
Papa
Elena
Bert.
Bonifacio. Okay, you listen now. Okay, so when you are graphing quadratic function, at least you know how to present it into table of values, graph, or an equation. So maybe equation first, graph, then table of values, or any of the three. Okay? Or table of values, graph, equation. Graph, equation, or table of values first. So it depends. Now, I want to graph first before we present the equation and then the table of values. Now, if I will graph the quadratic function. So this is our axis of symmetry or x-axis, while this is your y-axis. So this is our point of origin at 0, 0. Now, if the vertex of the quadratic function is located here, okay, I will do the graph 1, 1, 1, 1, 2, 3. Then 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So what is the equation for this? Okay, as you notice, this is the left side of your quadratic. And you know that quadratic function, the graph is a parabola that opens upward or downward. So therefore, if this is half of your quadratic function, draw the axis of symmetry. This is your EOS, axis of symmetry, or simply, that is the value of x, 1, 2. X is equal to 2. Or simply, this is what you call your h is equal to 2. Okay? Now, since this is axis of symmetry, that is the mirror image. If one point is located here, and this is your mirror, then its image is to the right. Okay? So this is the image of this point. The image of this point is 2 units from the axis of symmetry going to the left. There is also a point, 2 units from the axis of symmetry to the right. And that is the image of this point. Okay? Same with this point. 1, 2, 3 to the left, 1, 2, 3 to the right. Okay, so this is now the graph of the parabola whose equation is, okay, you must know how to name the equation of the parabola. So since we go down by 1 here, 1 for x, then 1 for y, then meaning y is equal to, your value of a is also equal to 1. That's automatic. Now, if a is equal to 1, no need for us to write that 1. This is already invisible 1. So x, now what is the value of your h? This is 2. Okay? But the presentation here is y is equal to a quantity x minus h raised to the power of 2 plus k in vertex form.
Should we get negative 1 since it's going down?
Wait. Okay. So a is equal to x minus h squared plus k. Your h is equal to 2. So therefore, what's your equation? X minus 2 squared. Then what's the value of your k?
3.
1, 1, 2, 3, plus 3. We will answer your question later on. Okay? Now, if we are going to make use of the table of values, so this is table of values, graph an equation. X, y. 1, 2, 3, your vertex. 1, 2, 3. Okay? If x is equal to the vertex, what's your vertex? 2 and 3. Now, what is our parabola? Downward or upward?
Downward.
Downward. Now, so since it is downward, then what are we going to do with value here. Plus 1 for x, 3, 2, 3, 4, and then 5. Are you going to add 1 or minus 1? Minus 1. So therefore, from 3, 2. Now, if we are going to evaluate this to our equation, is it equal to 2 with x equal to 3? 3 minus 2. 3 minus 2 equal to 1. 1 squared, 1. 1 plus 3, 4. What's wrong with our problem now? What's wrong with our table of values? Is there any wrong with our table of values? Is there any wrong?
Plus 1.
Is there any wrong with our table of values? We are focusing here with our table of values. Is there any wrong? Nothing wrong with the table of values. What's wrong is our equation. What's wrong with our equation? So since the parabola opens downward, the value of A must be negative. So this must be negative 1. Or simply write negative. Okay? So our equation is negative of 20x minus 2 squared plus 3. Okay, so therefore this is minus 1. Okay? Minus 1 minus 3. So 2 minus 3, negative 1. Okay. 1, 0, and then negative 1. What is the value of our function when x equal to 0? That's equal to negative 1. Okay. Minus 3 minus 5. So this is now equal to negative 6. So just reflect 2, negative 1, then negative 6. Okay? So, in dealing with graphing quadratic function, you will present first table of values, then graph, then you can form the equation. Equation first before you graph, and then make the table of values. Okay? Because any quadratic equation, a quadratic function can be represented by table of values, a graph, or an equation. Okay? So that's all. Bye-bye.